Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you really quickly how you can change the interface language for your Google Sheets account. So let us dive right into it now, shall we? So head over to Google Sheets and make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account. Start a new blank sheet by clicking on the button here. So let me go with that one here for demonstration purposes. And all you need to do, guys, is click on File here in the top left. And from that menu here below, select Settings. And here inside your spreadsheet settings, click on the display language below, which in this case here is English. Usually it's on default on English, but you may change it. For example, if you click on the given or selected language here, you'll be automatically redirected to the language settings of your entire Google account. So if you'd like to change it specifically for Google Sheets, you will need to change it for your entire Google account, as you can see. So the preferred language, you see it here, which is in this case here English in my case. So you may simply change it by clicking on the pencil icon here to the right and enter your preferred language, or simply browse through that list below to set it as your default language, like French, for example. And you may also choose an option, for example, a specific region. So French they speak, I don't know, in Switzerland, Cameroon, or in France. And after that, click on Save here so that these changes may be saved, and these changes will then be applied instantaneously. Now, I don't want to do this because I would like to keep English as my preferred language, but that's how you do it, guys. Simply head over to Google Spreadsheets then, press F5 to refresh the page, and after that, the interface will be displayed in your preferred new language. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.